So there's 3 points actually which I want to raise, but this too is where I'm getting a little bit warm too much, because if we look at the boys that were bullied on Militant 2 days ago, the video that went out, and then we look at the Kwanazi, these two ad hoc committee and Mslanga commission that is established. So now I want to build from this, is that for the ordinary citizen, the one like me and you that goes to work, and those boys that were bullying the other boy, there's a set of rules. But there's a different set of rules for politicians and high-ranked, connected, well-connected people here in South Africa. Why do I say that? Now, if you can see this boy's video, it's today, it's 23 October. It is, the video went out on 22 October. On 23 October, the boys that were in that video is already at court. They applied for bail and they were granted bail today, 6 of them. So, if you look at what General Kwanazi were doing and what is preserved for politicians, you will see that no, we're listening now daily to Netflix 1 and Netflix 2 of Mslanga this and commission this, at the committee this. Well, we are forced to listen for the purpose so that they have to be treated much better. One thing where the difference come in for me is that what was so hard to charge whoever and let them all go and explain at court why is and why is not. But you need to listen, and you must listen carefully between the lines. When the politicians talks, they say that let the full